This is one of my favourite Aussie muscle cars, to be honest. This and the XB GTs, the sort of last of the line, they were quite refined compared to the earlier ones. And this is a beautiful car. Hi there, John Bowe here at Gray's Classic Cars. Coming up for auction on Thursday is this, a genuine 1972 XA GT Falcon in wild violet with white trim. Pretty unusual combination, and it's a manual. It's a 4-speed top loader. Beautiful restored condition. Like, I love these. I'd much rather these than the XY, to be honest, because they would probably get howled down. But it's in perfect order. It's beautiful. Let's have a look under the hood, as the Americans say. How nice is that? Just like when it left the Ford factory at Broadmeadows.